Okay, we're back. I'm super excited because this is going to be so much easier. We got through the hard part. Now we're going to do the easy part. Easier part. Yeah, Mrs. Bart's back there too. I got to tell you, sometimes she's struggling, but she still got me. And the best news is you get both of us because you're going to be able to call either one of us. And by the time you call, we both will know the answers. Okay, turn to page 179. We're going to do all 4 examples. This is where you're going to be, again, practicing how to use the inverse operation to get your variable alone. And the variable is your unknown. So I want you to look at A, example A. To get the variable alone, I wish you guys were here. It would be so much more fun. I need to do the opposite to get x alone. And so I'm adding 0.3 or 3.2. So I need to do the opposite. So if instead of adding, I'm going to, yes, Clay, that was brilliant. I am going to subtract 3.2 from both sides. So subtract 3.2 from both sides. This will cancel out. So this, because I have 2 negatives, you remember we're going to add them and keep the negative. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 3 is 11, and it's negative. So now my answer is x equals negative 11.7. That one was easy. It's going to get a little harder, but you're ready. This one, I need to get y alone. I have a negative 2/3 plus 8, or plus y equals 8. So if this is a negative, I need to do the opposite, and I'm going to add 2/3. But I need to do it to both sides. So I'm going to add 2/3 to this side. When I'm done, this will cancel out. Y equals 8 plus 2/3 is 8 and 2/3. It's positive because they're both positive. See how that's working? Okay. This one, all they did here is just flip and put the answer to the equation on the left side instead of the right side. It's not a big deal. It's still going to be the same. So if I have a negative 0.5, because you know I don't need the 0, what do I need to do here? Because I'm multiplying. What's the inverse or opposite of multiplying? Annika, perfect. I am going to divide on both sides negative 5. I need to divide both sides by negative 0.5. So when I divide this side, it just becomes A. So A equals, and 0.5 goes into 30, negative 15 times. So A equals negative 15. Oh, shoot. It's not negative 15. I just made a mistake. I doubled it. If I'd had a calculator, I'd have gotten it right. You guys have your calculators. It's negative 60. So A equals negative 60. I'll try not to do that again. Okay, D, Q divided by, negative Q divided by 3.5. If this is divide, what is the opposite of divide? Perfect, Autumn. We're going to multiply 3.5 on both sides. To both sides, so I am now going to have Q equals, when we multiply, and I'm just going to use this because I want to get it right this time, 9.2 times 3.5 equals, my English thing didn't work, negative 32.2. Okay, I'm going to stop, and you guys, I want you to try 1, 2, and 3 on your own. Do on your own, 1, 2, and 3.